Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's called Women Supporting Women, and that's hosted by Connie Creations. The co-host of this collab is 6 Kids and a Glue Gun. So I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host channels down below in the description box. I'm also going to be linking their channel links, and then I'm going to link the playlist. So make sure, full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see what everybody does for women supporting women. Remember that we always want to use YouTube etiquette. So now, if this is your first time here visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And let's jump into it so that you can see what I decided to create. So now in this video, I decided to go shopping in my room and brought out some stuff that we can use. So let's see what we can make here with these items that I mostly purchased from the Dollar Tree. Now what I wanted you to see here is these items are from the party section. And I picked up a couple of them and I said, you know what? We are going to create some candle holders using these items. And then I bought the white nautical robe, and let's see how this comes out. Now what I'm trying to create here is a candle holder. So what I did was I glued the plastic cup to the bottom plastic plate. Then we reversed the cup, glued that to each other. Now we're going to glue the other plate to the top of that. Now what I am doing is also using the Fix-All adhesive. So when you're using a permanent adhesive, you want to make sure and be in a well-ventilated area. You also want to allow 24 to 48 hours for that glue to set. Now in the meantime, we are using some hot glue so that we can continue working. Now you can see that the process for the first candle holder, we're going to repeat for the second. now that we have all of the plastic glued the way we want it, now we're going to start from the very bottom to the top, gluing down that nautical rope. We're going to keep going in a circular motion, adding glue, going in a circular motion. We're going to repeat that for both candle holders. Now, once I got to the top of that candle holder, I decided to paint the black plate on the top in black. And that's what you see me doing here. So now I do want to take a moment and thank the host and the co-host for this collaboration. So far, I'm loving how this is looking. So now we're going to grab some jute twine and we're going to make a jute twine bow to place in the center of that candle holder. Now, what I did want to say is among all of the women that I have come across during my YouTube journey, I'm just going to grab a handful that I'm going to mention, but there's so many of them. And I'm very appreciative, and these women are very supportive, and I really, really admire them. So we have Buckeye Girls Recent Things, Melissa. We have The Happy Hoarder. We have Penny. We have Debbie Cabasa. And we have Amethyst Adventures, Courtney, and then we also have Mabel's Tables. These women are just so beautiful. I'm also going to add Grandma Sandy, and I am just so happy with the women that I have met on my journey here at YouTube, and I just wanted to shout them out. Please head on over to their channels. They have awesome channels. They're awesome creators, and they're great supporters. So I am just so happy with the results of how these candle holders came out. You would never know that there were plastic cups underneath here. So we're going to go ahead and head on over to the reveal, but I'm going to reveal this with something different. So now I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. And don't forget to head on over to that playlist, click that like button, and please comment below. I would love to hear from you. Have an amazing day.